There's cornbread, then there's cornbread. In today's recipe video, we're making the best cornbread your lips have ever tasted. No box mixes, no shortcuts, just real ingredients, real flavor, and real soul. I'm Jason with Old 36. The full recipe is in the description box. Let's go. All right, let's build some flavor. First up for our dry ingredients, we have cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, and baking soda. To this, I'm going to add in our salt, pepper, and cumin. Go ahead and mix this together. Now the cumin's going to give it that warm, smoky undertone. Now for the wet ingredients, starting off with 2 eggs, 1 cup heavy whipping cream. Now let's add our 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Next up, 1 can cream style sweet corn. This is where the magic happens. Bring the dry into the wet. Fold it in easy. Now let's hit it with the good stuff. We're going in with 1 diced jalapeno and half of 1 red bell pepper. Give that a good stir, mix it in. It's starting to smell good in here. Now let's go in with a whole mess of cheddar cheese. I'm going 2 cups. Give that a good stir. This isn't just batter. This is the beginning of something special. Now this is where we separate the good from the great, cooking it in a cast iron skillet. And you can also cook this in a large baking dish. So I'm going to coat the skillet with half a spoon of Crisco and half a spoon of bacon grease. That seasoned cast iron gives you depth, gives you that old school richness. Here's a little trick. Sprinkle a thin layer of cornmeal in the pan. This gives you that crispy golden crust and prevents it from sticking to the pan. Let's pour this batter into the cast iron skillet. Now I like to use a spatula. This makes this a lot easier. Gently spread your mixture evenly. And preheat your oven to 375. We're going to go 35 minutes at 375 degrees. Buttery, cheesy, just the right amount of heat. Crispy edges, tender inside, cheese melted into every bite. Our cornbread's out of the oven and it's rested about 15 minutes. This kitchen smells absolutely wonderful. It's time to give this a try. Hot damn, that's cornbread. This cornbread is soul flavor. Make this at your next family or holiday gathering. You'll be the star. I want to thank y'all for stopping by and spending time with me here. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. And if you try it, drop a comment in the comment box. As always, the full recipe is in the description box. Keep it bold, keep it spicy. And until next time, adios. Oh yeah. Hot damn.